An introduction to the USB logging sound level meter. It is supplied with a hard briefcase style carry case, foam wind muffler, software, USB connection cable, a mini tripod and an AC/DC mains power adapter. This instrument is ideal for environmental monitoring and health and safety applications to monitor sound levels. It also has a standard 4mm camera bush for tripod mounting. It has a measurement capability of up to 130 decibels with user selectable A or C frequency weightings. It also features slow or fast response filters, data hold, a minimum maximum memory, peak maximum and peak minimum. For long-term monitoring, the instrument can be connected to a PC or laptop using the USB connection cable. Open the software and monitored measurements are displayed and can be logged. The user can program the sampling rate at half second, 1 second or every 2 seconds. Data can be viewed as a line listing or as a graph. The line listing can be exported to Excel. The graph has the facility to zoom into a selected area of measurements. The zoom can be actioned 3 times for in-depth analysis of results. All data can be saved as separate files and attached to emails or reports. It also can be printed.